Hey loves, so let's germinate these two beautiful lotus seeds. First, let's understand the seed. This is the bottom part and this is the top part. This top part will give rise to shoot. So this seed we have to rub against some wall, or you can use a sandpaper so that a little embryo is visible. The embryo is like, or the inner embryo is visible, that is the white part. This is a tough shell, so if you break down some of it, the water can easily enter and it can swell, and the offshoot can come out easily. And I'm putting in this water because those roots will help this seed germinate. And in a day or two, I could observe seedlings, and this is how one of them has beautifully given off this shoots, and it still needs to be in water because it didn't give rise to any roots from the bottom. Please stay tuned for another video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Plant more maybe.